Hello everyone, this is Zukhraf from Infosharing360.com. Okay, so if you want to reduce the file size of a Microsoft Word document, either you want to save disk space or want to share the file over email more easily, then compressing the images function will do the trick because it certainly reduces the file size. For demonstration purpose, I have used only one image in my Word document. Let me show you that document with that file image. That's the image, and the current file size is 2.2 MB. We'll try to reduce it to around 500 KB. So let's get started. First, we need to select the picture to enable the format option. Then we'll go to format and click on the compress pictures button. So this menu then displays several options. If we want to apply this change to this particular picture only, then we'll need to check this option only. If we uncheck this option, then this function will be applicable on all the pictures that are available in this document. So there are some other options. I'm gonna go with this 96 ppi option. Image resolution is typically described in ppi. So I'm selecting the minimum resolution to ensure that the file size is reduced to least possible size. So let's apply this change to one picture for now. It's done. Let's save this file and let's see its size. Oh, it's actually reduced from 2.2 MB to 486 KB. So that's how this function actually works. Thank you for watching this video.